Hello everyone, welcome back to the live trading with Golden Girl today. Today is already Wednesday, so we see each other again. Hello my friends. Hi Asukun and my friend. Okay, so sorry I don't know how to spell your name. Sorry for that. Okay, so let's first we will take a look at the Forex Factory calendar. To see what is going on and any special news happening this week. Hello. Hi. Okay, thank you so much for joining my stream today. Okay, let's review the Forex calendar, as usual. And today, we only have GLTS job openings. Okay, so this is also reflect for the strength of US economy, right? And yesterday, ISM manufacturing price was negative for gold, and this is also another factor that helped gold push its price to higher level. And as you can see now today in the early Asian session and from and until now, we're already in the London session, and gold continues to establish new all-time high. Okay, so this area we don't know where's its peak, and the markets can reverse anytime. So we need to be highly pay attention to the market and always set the stop loss order for every trade. Okay. But I believe that gold is still under a lot of buyers, supported by a lot of buyers to reach to a new peaks in the future. And I guess that if there is a official news relating to interest rate cut maybe happening this week, this month. Okay, so gold will heading to $4,000 level soon. So that is the mark. Remarkable mark of gold price in the future, in the near future. Okay, so now you can see that I opening the daily time frame. Okay, daily time frame, and the market breakouts from the current this is the right zone, where the market moving sideways for nearly 4 months. Okay, so this is the right spring that the market moving sideways, and it's very annoyed that time, right? Very annoyed to trade for all of the traders like us that time, because the price range is getting narrowed, and just creating liquidity sweep, liquidity hunting all the time. So it's so hard for the market for us to set up this scalping signal, right? That time was really challenging, but this is also the condense of the momentum of the market for the next explosion. And as I share with you my point of view about gold price in the future, in the previous live stream, so the natural momentum of the gold market is always uptrend. You can see that in the big time frame like weekly or monthly time frame, it's continue to moving upward, right? So now I will show you, this is the weekly time frame, and just a pull back, and then market retest. Market is resting and waiting for a new marathon. Okay, and the main factor that helped gold continue its bullish trend is the interest rate cut news. Okay, and we can consider for upcoming news, especially for ADP non-farm and non-farm employment change that happened this week. Okay, so this is a promising event for the market with high volatility. And I hope that if we can trade news together, so we together gain profits and optimize our trading history. Okay. So after 4 months, let me guess, nearly 4 to 5 months, the market accumulates. It was accumulating for this price range around 100 price, $100 range, and it's right above border. Now heading to another peak in the future, in the near future, and the bullish momentum of gold will not stop now. It will not stop. I believe that it will continue its bullish trend. Okay, so let's go back to the smaller time frame. Analyze for US 30. US 30 is relating for stock, right? Okay, so if we have time today, I will share with you about that. But I'm sorry that my majority is just focus on gold market, as you know, and currency pair trading. Scalping gold. Okay, I know that you are quite hurry now, but we need to wait for the better entry zone. To set up the good signal. Thank you for your patience, and always remember to follow the discipline and be patient. Okay, victory will come to any trader patient with the market. Okay, and in the daily time frame, you can see that all the candles lying above 2 EMA. At least 2 EMA. And EMA 200, this is the boldest one, the boldest line. I set it like EMA 200. But in the smaller time frame, like 4 hour, this one, the market is moving sideways just to resting. Just to rest and wait for the next breakout. Okay. And if you're my VIP members, that I believe that you already gained a good profit for recent days. Because my main purpose is just focus on the current bullish trend, and you can see that most of the profit scalping signal that I set up in my VIP signal group, most of them I focus on the buy scalping signal. Okay, I will show you the summary table. Okay, so just keep on setting the good entry zone, and keep on DCA. DCA at a higher level, and we trade according to trend, right? Trend is our friend as always. Okay, do not catch the falling knives, it's very dangerous, and if you realize that it's currently in the uptrend, just follow it and you will gain profits like me. And that is still amazing, and I still remember the entry zone that I set up on the what news was that, 3421 entry zone, that we was trade news together, and it's alright. That was FOMC news, FOMC meeting, and it shut a good entry zone if you are swing trader and you still hold the trade now and you follow the correct direction. Okay, so swing trading will bring you a huge profit, right? But only in Yeah, only in the specific trend. And now, it is now. Okay. And for the market moving sideways like previous 4 months, it's not okay. Yeah. So that is when we know how to choose the correct time, correct period to trade. And for me, as you can see my name, Nova Scalper, and all the scalping signal is my favorite. Okay. And now I will set up a signal for you on the chart. Okay, I will type the signal and hang on a second. Buy at the entry zone 35, 32 to 35, 30. And stop loss level will set below 33, 26. Okay, and the familiar formula relating to the taking profit is first take profits will be 30 pips. Next is 50 pips, 80 pips. At least we need to get 30 pips and set the break even if you want. But we need to close a part of the trade, okay, to gain a part of the profit of that scalping signal. Okay, hang on to the current entry zone because now gold price is heading to our level. Oh yeah, 35.26. Okay, I did it. Okay, so there is the bearish candle at the moment and heading down to our entry zone, and because I set up in a smaller time frame to see the reason why I set up for this. And now we will consider our entry zone below here, and let me mark that level for you on the chart. 32. Okay, so I will consider based on this, the shadow, below shadow of this bearish candle. And let me lock this signal at this area. Okay. We are waiting, so don't be FOMO this time. You can set the limit order to wait. To wait for this signal active. Okay, so high net gem, what is DCA? Okay, so that is dollar cost average, and this is the strategy. Okay, this is a strategy for me to follow the current trend. If we can identify the correct trend is uptrend for a higher level, we can set another entry zone to maximize our profits. Yeah, and that entry zone must be at the pullback pullback level. Okay, pullback level. Because the market structure is the markets have to forming higher highs and higher lows, right? And these are the point. Okay, so let me mark for you. These are the points that we will decide to apply the dollar cost average strategy. Yeah, at the entry zone match with the pullback level of the price. Okay, around 10 pips that are left at our first entry zone will getting active. Yeah, this is the market structure of an uptrend. Okay, so we need to understand about the meaning. Yeah, meaning of the market structure. And there are three market structure now: uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. Okay. And if you want to understand more clearly about this knowledge, you can join my VAB signal group, because not only signal, scalping signal you will receive every day, and now I'm about to organize a private live stream to share this knowledge with you from basic to advanced lesson. Okay, so I hope that you can arrange and join with us. And of course, the fee is very affordable. Yeah, just less than $50 for 1 month for each month. And I believe that your chance to increase profits in this trading journey will increase. Yeah, I will not promise to you that I will help you multiple times your trading account, but I believe that with discipline and my signal and my sharing experience for you, you can do it better. Okay, another version of you, but better. Yeah, hi Silva. Yeah, that's a good question. But I will wait for today's result. Yeah, relating to XAUUSD job openings. Okay, so there will be high volatility and the market will fluctuate. Yeah, have a big fluctuate when this news happened. But in the long term, gold is still under the uptrend. And yeah, it's as I just shared with you a few minutes ago, is that gold is forming a new peak in the near future. Yeah, because now we are still waiting for the official news relating to interest rate cut, right? Yeah, the rumors had already about that, and just wait for the official news. Okay, so let me check that is match. Is active our signal yet? Okay, not yet. It's just around 4 pips left. Anyone enter the entry zone 32.4 dollar? Anyone enter for that entry zone? Yeah, it's just 4 pips left from our entry zone, so it's gonna be take a while for us to get this signal active. Hi Bear, here you are. Okay, you're already in, right? So let me know which is your entry zone. Okay, so anyone haven't in, wasn't in, you can wait for the signal active. Yeah, just match with your limit order level. So don't be patient, don't be hurry. Yeah, don't be rushed, don't be hurry, and just waiting. We still have a lot of opportunities. Yeah, not only in my live stream, but also on my community on Telegram. You can find my gold trading plan. Yeah, you can copy the link that I put in description box and paste it to your saved message. Okay, you click to it and it will direct you to Telegram. Yeah, my community on Telegram. Oh, you enter 34 entry zone. Okay, so as I consider that is not a quite good and not good entry zone. So if you have around 20 pips, you can close a part of it. Yeah. And now you already gain nearly 20 pips profit. Okay. Just put the money in our pocket. And for me, my trading style will be disciplined with my strategy. Yeah, with my analysis. So no problem. Yeah, no problem at all if we miss for this time, because I believe that I can have another better opportunity. Okay, so let me see. This time, okay, so today I do not have too many viewers. Yeah. So are you guys forget me already? Are you forgetting me already? Yeah, last Monday we had bank holiday, right? And that time the market with high volatility, and I need to focus on my VIP signal group, and that is the reason why I do not have time. I cannot arrange my time to stream with you last Monday. Yeah, and it's the pity that today I just have a few viewers to join my stream today. When did you start trading? Oh, I guess that are you new viewer? Yeah, new one to my stream. Okay, so let me introduce a bit about myself. That my trading journey is about 8 years. Yeah, about 8 years already. And in the beginning that I fell into a lot of mistakes like everyone. Okay, and after around 1 year I practiced, I realized after a lot of account is blown away, and I decided to be serious. Yeah, be more serious with my journey. And I met some mentors, and they taught me a lot. And they shared me a lot of information and experience relating to this trading journey. And after that, 4 years ago, I just put the first step to set up the community on Telegram. At first, in the beginning, just a few members, but after that, I getting more and more concerns from traders, all around the world, and they really make me happy because they accept and understand, my experience trading that I share with them on Telegram, on my community on Telegram. And after that, I realized that many of you cannot set up a scalping signal. Okay, and that is the reason why I prepare and open a VIP signal group to let everyone have demand relating to scalping signal that they can join in and get the signal to trade well. But of course, they need my instruction relating to how to enter the signal. And if you're not follow it, okay, and just be let your guard down for any trade, like not setting stop loss, it's very, very dangerous, because I do not want everyone be the same me like before. You know that. And that is the main purpose that I want to share with you the valuable experience, and also my analysis can help you optimize your trading journey, trading history. And besides my channel on Telegram, I decided to build the YouTube channel this year in March, before March, this year. And time flies really fast, and it's already more than 4 months that I opened the channel on YouTube. And after the times live stream with you, I realized that you really want to receive the scalping signal and the sharing, also the report or analysis about the market. And a lot of traders is interested in gold market like me. So I'm very happy whenever I have a stream time with you, so that I can hear more more stories from you, and can help you to answer the questions that you are not understand well about this market. Okay, so now it's already heading to 36.5. So via Jenny, your entry zone is getting profit at the moment, so you can consider close a part of your trade and hold the rest to further taking profit. Okay, more than 25 pips, I believe, and now it's heading to another 30 pips. I hope that you have a good profit. Sometimes, this is just a luck. And there's still chance, if we miss the current entry zone. And don't worry, I still update about the current signal after I end my stream on YouTube. I will update the information about the result of this signal on my Telegram community. So next time, if we are and my personal view is that I already be loyal with my analysis. So I'm very happy. By the way, I'm very happy for anyone currently getting profit from your entry zones at the moment. It's very long times, and every journey have a loss, right? And in the beginning, I very greedy and so hurry to make more money. My wishing is want to become a billionaire because of trading. You can hear that it's like pink elephant wishing, right? But I believe that this is the wishing of everyone, the wish of everyone. But now, after those time, I realize that just be step by step, discipline will be the key, leading to the success easily. Just do it step by step, one by one, with the appropriate trading volume with your trading account. Compare with your trading account, and do not overuse the leverage, because every broker will offer you the leverage, but do not overuse the leverage. It's like a double-edged sword, as I usually talk about it in my video. And another key lesson to help you survive in this journey is risk management lesson. 1 to 2% for each trade that you enter for your trading. And I know that some of you enter a lot of layers when you trade. If you are addicted to that action, you need to divide it into a smaller trading volume. because I know that action is very learnable. Yeah, just click, 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 and then you can see the money. A lot of money is turned into blue, and it's continue to increase steadily in your account, right? In your trading appearance. But yeah, for me, do not encourage, especially for the new traders. Yeah, for the beginners. Yeah, I really do not encourage you to do that. And if you're already experienced trader, yeah, you can do whatever you want as long as you gain profit. You can follow hedging. You can enter a lot of layers when you trade. You cannot set a stop loss level. Yeah, you can do whatever you want, but make sure that your account is safe and you can make money in this journey. I usually trade around 0.5 to 1 lot for each trade. Yeah, as previous stream on Friday, I share with you my live trading account. Yeah, not every day that it's gonna be I will show it for you like that. BTC. Okay, we will talk about BTC later if we still have time for this today stream. Okay, so yeah, price is heading to a higher levels. Yeah, 38, and it missed our entry zone around 4 pips. So anyway, congratulations everyone that you gained the profit from the near entry zone that I set up on the chart. Okay, congratulations everyone. And just be disciplined, 30 pips, close a part of your trade and hold the rest for the further taking profit. Okay, so yeah, I believe that my friends today join my stream. You already gained profit. Yeah, at least 30 pips. Yeah, I believe so. It's just around 4 pips left to hit my entry zone. Yay, bear, I know it. You always gain the profit. Yeah, touch good anyway. Okay, so we have some gift. Yeah, we have a gift to enjoy your evening. Okay, or you can spend a part of it to trade news today. Yeah, I believe that, but I guess that at your area it's kind of late. Yeah, around 9 p.m, right? Yeah, jobs openings. If you are not, you cannot wait until that time. Okay, no worries, together we can trade next Asian session. Yeah, you know that I wake up every day so early. Yeah, so there's still a lot of scalping signals is waiting for you. Yeah, 9 p.m. But because we already so tired for all the long day, right? All the long day, so you can rest earlier. Yeah. Our health is the best things we need to concern. Okay. There's a lot of time to trade actually. The market is lasting forever. Yeah, lasting forever. Netflix. Are there any good movies now on Netflix? Yeah, it's been a while for me not to watch any film on Netflix. Okay, so I believe that it's still heading up higher levels around 34, 40, 35, 40. 35, 40 level is the next target. K-dramas. Romantic and how to say it's romantic and handsome actress, actor and actress, right? Beautiful actress and handsome actors. K-dramas as I remember. Yeah. Yeah, so as a trader, and I believe that you already have other jobs that you need to handle every day, right? So just arrange your time appropriately to balance everything. Yeah, that is very important for you. We need to keep our mind and our psychology relaxed. Yeah, do not put any pressure on trading. So that is the first step to help you increase your winning rate when you join this the most severe trading market in the world. Comedy romance. Sounds nice. Yeah, I love comedy movie as well. Yeah, laughing is really joyful and really relaxed. Yeah. Someone sending SOS signal on my chat box. Oh, don't spam, my friend. Don't spam on my stream today. Thank you so much. Okay, so it's better for me to delete his comment. Yeah. Just be disciplined and there are no regrets. Yeah, I heard a lot of bad story. Yeah, very sad story about this this trading journey, because some of my friends borrow money and they trade very carelessly. They believe in one trade can help them become billionaire and overuse the leverage. Yeah, in one trade. You know that trading account is just around $2,000, but they enter a trade with 5 lots for one trade. Yeah, that is insane, and I really do not encourage for that. Yeah, for that action. Super dangerous. Okay, so Thursday, tomorrow we will have a DP non-farm employment chain, and Friday. Yeah, I still have another day to stream with you on Friday, and together we will spend our time. Yeah, spend my time before non-farm employment chain news release, and I will share with you a brief analysis about how is the market moving before non-farm employment chain, and as my prediction. Yeah, you can follow or just refer. That is your decision. Yeah, and okay, so let me take note for you a bit about this. ADP non-farm employment chain and non-farm employment chain are totally different. Okay, so my advice for you now, we shouldn't refer the result of ADP non-farm to non-farm, because I realized I concerned that previous months, those are opposite results. Yeah, ADP negative for USD, but non-farm is positive. Yeah, just for example. And for a few months later, they are usually opposite. So that is the reason why we need to wait for the market. Okay, about 15 to 20 minutes after the news release to get the markets more stable. Yeah, to set up the entry zone. Okay, and if you're already experienced trader, and I believe that I can set up a profitable scalping signal for you, and you can look for my summary table that I post on my Telegram community about the scalping result, especially on the day we have special news like FOMC or non-farm payrolls, yeah, or GDP. That's days that my VIP signal group touch good, that can make you bring a lot of profit to your trading account. And for one signal at least we gain 100 pips. Yeah, just for around 15 minutes. Okay, and that's it, just my sharing for your reference, and you can do it or not. Okay, no problem. I just want to help you do everything better, especially for this severe market. And you know, gold price is very easily to be manipulated. Yeah, by the big players, by the sharks. We don't know, especially for the bank holiday. Yeah, that time is very dangerous. Yeah, it's not like in the past. The markets will moving sideways whenever bank holiday happen. Now it's different. We are under Donald Trump era. Yeah, we have to concern about this under Trump era, and everything can be happened. Yeah, high volatility, liquidity hunting. Okay, and your account very easy to blown away if you overuse leverage. Yeah. Hi, after which strategy you used? Yeah, there's thousands of strategy and indicators or trading method, right? And my strategy will be just from basic knowledge relating to resistance or support zone and trend line. Okay, sometimes I would use EMA. Yeah, EMA confluence with other factor, other conditions, and sometimes I will use Fibonacci, yeah, to measure the level that price will have retracement, yeah, and others that I confluence with Dow theory, breakout area or retest area. Yeah, so for me it's at least 10 methods that I'm using at the moment, but we can set up the signal based on the combo. Sometimes, yeah, like I just shared with you, use the confluence between the EMA with resistance or support zone or trend line. Okay, and the more confluent, the more condition confluence together, yeah, the more reliable of that signal will be. Yeah, confluence is very important factor that I use to set up this scalping signal. And this one, yeah, the current signal that my strategy using is based on the this is the area that's giving a lot of support from the buyers. You can see that this is starting from the current uptrend, yeah, bullish momentum from this one. So that is the reason why I base on this candle shadow, below shadow, to set up the scalping signal. But it's kind of pity that it missed our current signal for a few pips. Yeah, for around 3 to 4 pips. Okay, so let me check at the smaller time frame to see any. Yeah, below we have EMA 200 in the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, so that is the second condition for the reason why to set up this buy scalping signal. And other condition, you can see that previous candle forming a doji, and next one is a bullish engulfing candle. Yeah, so this is a sign of the market's reversal. And based on this confluence with EMA 200 below here, so I have enough condition to set up the scalping signal at the entry zone 35.22 to 35.30. Do we re-enter? It's so far away from the current entry zone, my dear. Yeah, now price I can see on the trading view is just around 35 level. So if you want to hold this, yeah, just set the limit order for this entry level. Yeah, nothing can go up forever. Sometimes the market price will pull back. Yeah, and that time the signal active, but I will cancel every signal after New York session end. Yeah, at the end of New York session. Okay, just valid only a day. After New York session, every signal that set a limit order will be cancelled. Okay, and especially for my gold trading plan. And this is another note for you to take down. Yeah, okay. And most of the time I decided to stream with you this time as the market will moving sideways, and now it's not moving sideways, but it's a bit slowly, a bit quiet for the market. You can see that the price range of this is just narrowed, waiting for the explosion in the New York session. Okay, and now it's noon in France, and it's like me, the market's like me, they need to rest, right? And it will continue the marathon in the New York session. Okay, pay attention to today news. 4 p.m. according to France time. XAUUSD job openings. And on my channel on Telegram, I will continue to update the result of this signal and the result of this news, other currency pairs as well, so let you know the latest update. Hi Elias. Okay, please don't spam on my chat box. Thank you so much. Gold price is coming back to higher levels. Okay, so around 10 minutes later I will help you. Together we will review BTC USD. As I remember recently that it's already breakdown for the support level around 110k. 110k. Oh, okay, so it's recover. This is a short-term recover of BTC at the moment. Okay, so it's just heading down a bit. Okay, so let me change into a daily time frame to see the broader view relating to this asset. In the daily time frame, you can see that the candles continues forming very long shadows candle here, and it sweep up to the level 1007. 10.07. Yeah, and heading to a higher level. Okay, so this is still a reliable resistance zone, right? And now it's break out to from 111k. Yeah, 111k. But we can see that above here there's EMA 89, and further a bit is EMA is the next level, 112k. And this is also the resistance of the current bright zone. Yeah, so it needs to break out this level to head to another higher level of the market. Okay, and for the significant level, we need for the market confirmation to decide any signal. Yeah, to help you optimize your trading journey. And now I believe that BTC recover its bullish uptrend in the short term. Yeah, but we need to pay attention to the area match with the previous shadow, of the previous candle here. Okay, so if you want to enter any trade, you need to wait for the confirmation of the market, like engulfing candle or patterns relating to reversal. Yeah, reversal market, reversal price pattern. Okay, but this is also the FOMO of getting another support effect. Yeah, effect from gold, because gold it received a lot of supported by the buyers, and now BTC have the same situation, right? But it recover from below level, resistance level, support level. But for gold, it keep on heading to higher all-time highs. Yeah, so BTC has the advantage from gold price increase recently. Yeah, now I will come back to gold. Oh, it's heading to 40 level. Yeah, anyone still hold the trade? If yes, congratulations everyone. Yeah, today is not lucky for me. Yeah, I believe that no worries, there's a lot of scalping signals waiting for you in my VIP signal group. And once again, thank you so much for joining my stream today, and together we will have another time on this Friday again. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much and see you